welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we have the two mini bikes again back in the garage. There's nothing bad with them or wrong with them right now. Hold up, let me put some. Oh, there we go. We have the mini bikes, kind of dirty right now. Haven't washed them. Has dust all over them, and it's kind of hard to keep them clean if you're going in the dust, the track in the back. But, you know, they're not always pavement princesses. So, I mean, this has mud. I don't think we keep our stuff clean. So, we're doing something today with both of these. And we actually did it one to his. And we're going to be showing you how we did it to make it faster with this one. But first, we're going to see the comparison between the one that's modded already. That whatever he did to it, we'll be showing you guys in a sec, compared to this one down the road. And then we'll come back and show you how we did it. And then go mom around with these things.
Yeah, drag race, and then we'll time each one.
Time each one?
Like a 50-yard dash.
I think we should time each one first.
Yeah, we'll do that. And then it's really simple. You guys can easily do if you guys have like any kind of mini bike. They're pretty much all the same, really. So
we'll be showing you when we get back drag racing. And then go mob around with these things. So let's go time him and then race. Let's do it. All right, so we're down here at the drag race where we drag race a lot. Long, straight road. We're going to time him and see who could get first over this tree. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Timer's on. This is the modded one. Seconds. I stopped it a second later. So that was 14 seconds. Well, it's 15 now. But he had 14 seconds. He got. That's the modded one. He got 14. I stopped it a second later.
Okay.
Yeah?
I can still make it faster.
Alright. Well, let's do the unmodded one, or the one that we haven't made it faster yet.
I probably cooked your thing.
Alright, well,
14.
here's the,
I mean, 14 is pretty good for that.
Yeah, here's the...
What is that, 100 yards?
No.
Yeah, probably 100 yards.
Alright. We're gonna see. So, this one is slow, so I don't think I need help.
Well, because I went a little late after you, like, I didn't even know what you were gonna do. I thought I should have went whatever you had. Okay, I started it. So we go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my gosh. 20, 34. 6 seconds, bro.
20 seconds? Oh my god. So,
I can still make mine faster, dude.
Well,
okay, let's, should we do a drag race?
I think we should do a drag race.
Alright, let's do a drag race.
Alright, so we should have waited a little bit because this stuff is going to be hot. So first thing you want to do is take the cover off.
Okay, yeah, take this off. This is on there, so just take that off. Just to get to the throttle. Just take this off.
The air filter, by the way.
Yeah.
You want to take that out?
Yeah, sit it on the ground. Okay.
I like how we're doing it rip by drain.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, you just need a screwdriver to take this off. I mean, you don't really need to, but I want to get to that screw right there, so.
So, little screwdriver, just to get to those.
It's too big of a screwdriver, or no, too small, so we just grab a flathead. It's tack welded on the other side if you guys try to do this. And then you just unscrew it. It's tack welded, so it's going to be a little hard to unscrew.
Left.
I am going left.
No, you're not.
Oh my god.
Bro needs to go back to kindergarten.
Dude!
Learns his rights and left.
I don't. I'm sorry. If we can even put it on there. Yeah, just unscrew that. And then so. Guys, I'm unscrewing it. No, it's not unscrewing more.
All you gotta do is take, the
Literally
air
unscrew
filter
it.
off and unscrew this
Yeah.
just a little bit more so
If-
it doesn't hit that back flange.
If you want, you could literally just take the whole screw out. And
But
it'd be easy.
I think we should keep it in
Yeah.
just in case if we sell it. I don't know, which probably won't be probably a year or so. So I think we should go test how fast this thing is.
Because it was, when this was here, look at. So it was about where this thing is. So right here, this is where it went, okay? This is where it went. Just a little bit. And then now what you can do, you can literally move a whole inch. pretty
Yeah,
much.
because that screw isn't making it not touch. So if you guys want to make it faster without buying any parts for free, take the air filter off and unscrew that with a spring screw, and then it'll make it go faster. I haven't rode the faster one yet, so we're gonna see how fast my reaction is on how it is.
I mean, when we drag raced it, it was
Fair.
like it was
fair game last time.
Yeah, it was like 7 seconds.
Yeah.
Like I beat you by. But when we raced them when they were not modified, they literally were like
Yeah,
side
they
by
were
side.
side by side when we did not modify this one.
Yeah, I was probably 20 yards ahead of them. You guys can see that like on the 360 camera, but
So, like I said, you could do that for free if you didn't want to buy any parts, but if you could go 50 miles an hour or plus, I can't remember, by changing the size of this. I don't know if smaller or bigger, it'll probably be bigger. But I don't think we'll do that because I think they said it's harder to go up hills for it.
yeah.
So
Yeah, you can easily just do this instead of getting a whole nother sprocket for it. But if you did another sprocket, dude, that thing would be like an R6.
I mean, I would do that if we're not out here in the hills and I would do it if it's a street princess, but these things are off-road princesses.
Yeah.
Or off-road doubles.
Dirt princesses.
All right, let's go drag race this again.